This place is magical. Hello, 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 how are you? If this is the first time you watch me, my name is Walid. Today we are in Pompano Beach, the south of Florida. I know lots of people come visit Fort Lauderdale, but if you drive 15 minutes or 10 minutes north, then you can get to more laid back area, more relaxing. It's called Pompano Beach. So let's go and see what's Pompano Beach about. Let me give you a quick brief about Pompano Beach. Pompano Beach was originally inhabited by the Tequesta Native American before the European settlers arrived. What I really like about Pompano Beach, the people here are so relaxed, very laid back. As you see here, I'm on the pier, everybody chilling, doing their stuff, relaxing. It's just a beautiful vibe here.
Too little, still too late. Can't help but fight my fate. Can't help but bring it up. Every little mistake.
So in the late 1800s, development began, and there's a guy, his name Henry Flagler. He brought the railway down here to the south, and new settlers start coming in. So this city officially incorporated in the 1908, and the reason they call it Pompano Beach, where does this name came from? Because of the pompano fish it's found in this water for decades, and that's why they call it Pompano Beach. And the pier of the beach here in Pompano, it looks like a fish based on the pompano fish. So it turns from a fishing community to a beautiful, vibrant city, attract people from all over the world. They come here for relaxing, diving, and enjoy to many other things. And now, after the pier, let's explore downtown Pompano Beach. And you can ride a water taxi for fun, and it's an easy way to explore the city by water. So here we go. You see the beach here is so beautiful, peaceful, quiet. And I want to mention something, that if you want to be in Miami area or Fort Lauderdale 10, 15 minutes max. Miami, bad traffic, let's say 45 minutes. If easy traffic, 30 minutes. So still close. What's nice about it, here you chill, relax. If you want more activities and more like, let's say, crazy nightlife, then it's close by, you know? And this is the lighthouse behind me. Guys, I was waiting for the sunset. Forget about it. There is no sun in the sky. Cloudy turns very cloudy and windy start raining. So better be safe and go home. And hopefully tomorrow we can catch the sunset. Otherwise, I will be in the middle of the ocean if I stay on the beach right now. Good morning. How are you today? This is our second day, and as yesterday I promised you, there is a special spot. If you come to Pompano Beach, you can go and see it, and we are going to see it today together. But first, I need to make my cup of coffee just to wake up a little bit because I'm still like very tired from yesterday, and then we're gonna go there. And now we arrived to the place I promised to show you, and you will really like it. Let's go and see it. Entrance. Good morning. So I want to purchase a ticket for today. So I want to mention something. Butterflies only lives around like 2 weeks, and one of them 1 week is in the wild. That's it. Very short life. This place is magical. Hi. I have a question for you. How many butterflies are here?
So it could be up to 10,000 butterflies.
10,000.
Yes, yes. There's like thousands at any one time.
And do you have other like species here than just butterfly?
Besides the butterflies in this aviary, we have little finches. There's 3 different types.
Okay.
We have the lady Goldian finches, the Japanese white-eye finches, and the owl finches.
Perfect.
And then beyond here, in our bird aviaries, there's only birds.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, you ready to pass through? And something.
No, you're fine.
Over here.
Look at this beautiful. Is that cute? Moments like this make Pompano Beach unforgettable.